Hey guys, Roblox King here, and today we're playing Roblox. We're playing Flood Survival. Apparently it's very popular, so I'm gonna be playing it today. Hopefully we can survive a lot of floods. Yeah, you can see here I've already started. I'm already on high level because I'm beast at this game. I'm playing Roblox on my phone because my computer is broken and I just died. So I need to wait to get that fixed. So I'm playing it on my phone. I'm gonna be playing a lot of games on my phone, like Sims Mobile, and I can play Pog Mobile or Blitz Barricade. Just request something that you want to see me play on the phone, and I'll play it. But anywho, let's get right to the video. Again, somebody has showed this map and they pushed me off. No! I'm gonna die. Oh no. Whew, I got up here just in time. Y'all are selfish. Very, very selfish. I believe he tried to trip me with a banana peel. Anyway, on this channel, I guess I'm gonna be recording my next video. I need something to play on Roblox. I was thinking maybe Superhero Tycoon or I don't know. Just give me a few suggestions, please. We're waiting for somebody to pick a map. Ooh, this is a new one. Q.E.M.
Remember that.
Yeah, camp is horrible. I never really liked camp. I went to Camp Cheerio. It was alright. I mean, it wasn't that good. I was scared to zip line because zip lines, the year before somebody died on a zip line. So I was like, nope, I'm not bringing my black butt on that zip line. Yes, I survived again. I have 20 points. This game is, good, I guess. It could be better. It could be like, there could be modes like hard mode, medium mode, stuff like that, but it's not. So I guess it's just gonna have to stay like this. I mean, I've played better games that I'm probably gonna play here, but we're just gonna have to keep it how it is. Right now it's 9:45 in the USA. Woo! And this dude with the potion, what are you doing? You're not fast. I can catch up to you. Hey, come back here. Oh, there. Oh, can I push you down? Dang it. Yo, my name is PJ Swag 707DT. You already know what it is. Go friend me. Go add me on Snap. What the freak? Oh, okay. Another map. Come on. I'm getting on. Oh, it already started. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Whew. That was a close one. Oh! The whole thing fell down. It wasn't my fault. Give me the green balloon. Never mind. Okay, we're doing horribly. We've died 2 times. We've lived 2 times. That's 50% chance that I'll make it. Okay, we're in Egypt. Get on the pyramid. Ha! He fell. Come on, come on. Everybody up, everybody up. Hopefully this one don't break. Hey everybody, we're surviving. I should have got on the cross. No! Eric! You lived a good life, man. Yeah, he's gonna die too. Craxito! I survived. That looked a little wrong. I don't like you. Please get away from me. Map children. Fortress. Okay, we're doing fortress. Okay. I'm gonna get on top of the fortress. Pretty sure there was an easier way to get up here, but I didn't take the. No, 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 no! Stupid flood. Be careful of me. Oh, hey guys, y'all died too? You died too? Interesting. Ooh. What can I buy with my points? Quick potion, a parachute, a green balloon, a banana. Nobody survived that round. Nobody. Well, at least I wasn't the only one that died. That map was horrible. Okay, let's go back down. West Grand map. Ooh. Okay, I know where to go. Where do I go? Oh no, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die alone. Ah! Why? I died alone. Oh, hey Ricky. And Ricky, you're the only one in here? Let's be friends. Oh, what? Huh? What you say? Did you say fuck? I believe it is what he said. Give me my ball. I want this ball. It's my ball. We're back in Egypt, people. Get on the pyramid. Get on the pyramid. This is the easiest place to survive. Hey, Ricky. And Regethra. And Battle for the Beast Best. Big Bayon gets the best, I think. Y'all got some weird names. Except for you, Ricky. You cool. Don't stand right there, Ricky. You'll die. Oh no, that's falling off. Ricky! Ricky! No! Did the pyramid just break? The pyramid just broke. Woo, I survived. She's in the map. Hey, Tiny. You're really, really short. Map chosen, the castle. Oh, go, go, go. This castle is probably gonna break and we're gonna be like horribly, like, we're gonna die. The castle's gonna fall over and we're all gonna die and then we're gonna be crying. But that's okay. The castle is already breaking, I think. Yep, I saw something fall. Is the castle breaking? No, not that I know of, it's not. Hold on. Hold on, please break, castle. Yeah, it's breaking a little bit. We're gonna fall soon. Oh, I survived. Dang it, I wish it broke. Map chosen. The castle again. This time you better break, Castle. If you're listening to this right now, all you hear is jumping in my footsteps. Gosh, it sounds awesome. The first wave is here, and I'm standing on the edge. Oh, the castle just broke. The castle just broke.
Okay, it just broke.
I'm still on it, and Countess just died. Okay, it's moving some more. It's moving some more. X-Rex, yes. It was just me and X-Rex that survived. Yes, y'all suck. Y'all really, really suck. Yeah, y'all see my nice ninja hat? We're back at the camp, guys. Camp Cheerio. Oh, I already got my spot. It's been secured. I got 70 points. That house is gonna fall down, I think. Here comes the first wave. Who died? Oh, jump. I'm sorry. R.I.P. friends. Am I the only one? Nope, it's me and Polar Girl. Gear Girl. Because our house didn't break yet. Woo. Map money. Castle again. I'm going on the castle because if it breaks and everybody dies, I will be a legend. I gotta get up there before the first wave. Okay, where's the first wave coming in from? There go the first wave. Okay, is the castle gonna fall? Come on, castle, fall. I don't think it's gonna fall this time. Nope, it didn't fall. And me and Polar Girl, Gear Girl survived again. Wendy. I like Wendy's too. We're at the camp again. Oh, I got my spot again. Okay, walk across here. Who's gonna survive? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many people? Oh. 5. Who's Wendy? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are in my store? I know you're stealing. Okay, the second wave gonna come in soon. Yo, can I push you off? Like, get off. Get off my house. Yes, Mike. Die, Mike. Die, Mike. Hello, Mike. Dang it. I got a badge. I'm a Mech Firebrand Survivor. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? Playground. Okay, that's like the hardest place to survive at. Never mind, let's go up here. Let's go up here. Yes. Yes. Oh no. It's starting. The first wave is coming. And this is probably the first thing that's gonna get knocked over. Yep, it's gonna get knocked over. Uh-oh. Here we go. No, not knocked over yet. This structure is like the worst built out. It's the skinniest too. You would think you would be the first one to get knocked down. Okay, I'm ready for the second wave to knock me down. Okay, never mind. I survived. 10 points. I want to buy a balloon. Okay, old school. Take it back to the old school, because I'm old school. Something. Yep, I'm not going up there. I'm going up here. Probably one of the structures that's gonna fall. Yeah, I shouldn't have chose right here. Okay, guys. We're gonna die a horrible death.
Oh, it's already starting to break.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I am a legend. No! Dang it! I almost got on the roof. I almost called myself a legend. I need the balloon. Parachute. Green balloon. I got it. I got the balloon. It gets bigger as you jump, and it makes you jump farther. Playground. Uh-oh, we're in the playground again. Let's go. I want my balloon. See, look at how high I'm jumping with my balloon. My balloon. Does that look like a person, or like am I totally tripping? That looks like a person, don't it? Oh, who died? Oh no, the structure is falling down already. Mine is not. I have the most stable structure ever. But I'm gonna jump over here. Whee! Then I'm gonna jump back up there. Oh, never mind. We're going back now. Yes, I'm a survivor. Okay, a wave will strike in 1 second. Arch Park. Never been to this one. Oh, God. I'm gonna go to the most unstable place possible. And just stand there. Cheaters. I've got the balloon. Is my structure falling yet? Nope. I want to jump over there, but I don't know if I can make it. Do y'all think I can make that jump? Probably not, but I'm gonna do it anyway.
Ow! No.
I still have my balloon. I have more than 20 points. I was supposed to survive, but I took a dumb risk. Why do I have to be so dumb? Okay, let's go to the town, people. Whew. Don't make a sound. Shoo. Okay. Woohoo! Come on, I can make it. Boom! Now, hopefully, this structure don't fall down on me. Jump. Uh-oh, they died. Their structures are falling. Mine is not. I'm about to jump. Go, go, go. That was extreme right there. Thank you, Wendy Lady Gamer. You are awesome. I jumped off your head. Sorry. Okay, guys. We doing one more map. And then I'm probably going to end this video. Oh, it's the same one. I want to go on the one that was falling last time. I am a true risker. If this falls, and if I die, then we're gonna go for longer. But if I survive this, then I am a Roblox god. Oh, there go the ladders falling off. Ooh, it's only a matter of time before this starts falling off too.
Excuse me.
Okay, guys, we survived.
We survived. We will survive.
Hey, guys, what is that?
Oh my.
Okay, guys, this is how we're gonna end the episode. Have a good day. I'm gonna try to post videos every day. I think my next video is gonna be on The Sims or probably some other game. I don't know. Well, bye, guys. See you next time.